Sophie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reacting to Kim Jong-kook and ATEEZ's Be My Lover. Okay, without further ado, let me react to it. And by the way, welcome back, Mingi. Yes. Ooh, okay. Kim Jong-kook. Ooh, he's looking. Oh, that voice, honey. That voice. Come on. I love the styling for summer, honey. Come on. Hey, Mingi. Oh, Mingi is there. Yes, Mingi. Ah! Ooh, okay. It feels like a good pop 90s summer hit. Yes! Ooh, your son is looking hot, honey. Ooh. Oh, almost. Yes. Ooh, young son couple. Okay, choreography. Couple, young son couple. Love it. Hey, come on. Hey. Yes, Mingi. Oh, Mingi and Jonghyun back and forth and then song up. Yes. Yes. Oh, love the chorus. Yes. Oh, Mingi! Come on, yes, come on. Exercise, okay, let's go. Yes, hot, honey, hot. Okay, TikTok, come on, yes. Yes, come on. Yes, choreography. Hey! Ah! Oh my god, I love this rapping part. Oh my god, the two of them rapping together. Yes, 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 yes. Young son couple, okay, come on. It's so cute, look, so cute. Kim Jong-kook dancing is so cute, honey. With that big frame. Okay, yeah. Yes, bread. Yes. Mingi. So far. Hold on. Okay, Kim Jong-kook with the high note. Yes. Come on. Hey. Oh, Kim Jong-kook is so cute. Oh. Omo, yes, honey, come on with the summer vibes. Yes. Oh my god, so good. Kim Jong-kook is so hot, right? Kim Jong-kook is so hot. Anyways, love the song. I just love that ATEEZ are back as a unit. Mingi is back with them. Oh my god, I'm just so happy, and I love the part where they like rap together, like part by part, like a Mingi like spit a rap note, I mean a rap line, and then Seoha and Jonghyun, and just it's just so good. Oh my god, yes. Song is beautiful. It is summery. It is positive. It is just bright. It feels like a pop 90s summer song. I think, of course, I think they might be influenced by Kim Jong-un because he's been around for a while. But I love it, like a throwback to the good old times, honey. Yes, love the song. Love that the boys are all back as a whole unit. Kim Jong-un is hot. I don't know who that. I know the other guy is probably there's this other guy also who's probably a singer. I think. I'm not sure who he is, but I've seen him around. Like I've seen him in like variety shows and everything. But anyways, drop down in the message to tell me who that is. Anyways, with that, I'm gonna end the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more of the more. Goodbye.